Hi friends, today we will discuss what is gross settlement and net settlement. Normally settlement will be happen between two financial institutions or two banks. So clearing involves operators among financial institutions to facilitate payments between payers and payees. So one fund transfer happens from one bank to another bank, from one customer to another customer. So in between two financial institutions or two banks are involved, and we have a intermediary also. Interbank settlement is the obligation that arises in connection with payments either in real time or in batch. So for example, these payments will be transferred from one bank to another bank in a real time. So real time will be 1 to 1. Batch will be, it will have a particular time. So these amounts will be settled in a particular time. So example is X has transferred money from X bank to Y bank, Shiva's account. In this transaction, Hari account is debited and Shiva account is credited 10,000 rupees. But X bank has to send 10,000 to Y bank because Y bank already credited Shiva's account 10,000 rupees. So X bank to pay Y bank 10,000 rupees. Y bank has to receive 10,000 rupees from X bank. But beneficiary account credited and from account also debited and beneficiary account credited. But how this settlement will happen from X to Y bank? So Hari customer account debited 10,000, Shiva customer account credited 10,000, X bank account debited 10,000, Y bank account credited 10,000. X bank and Y bank account will be settled in RBI bar NPCI. So now we have only discussed for one transaction. For example, every day lot of transactions will be happening from one bank to another bank. So in my scenario, some transactions X bank has sent to Y bank, some transaction Y has sent to X. So in a particular settlement time, it may be half an hour or 2 hours. In between, so X has sent 46,500 worth transaction to Y bank has sent 25,000 worth of transaction to X bank. How it will be settled? If it is a gross settlement. So gross settlement, what will happen? Maybe it may be half an hour or 2 hours. During that time, X bank will send 46,500 to Y bank will send 25,000 to X bank. This is the gross settlement. What is the total transaction value sent to other bank, and they will receive total transaction value of the transaction after the settlement time. What happens whether it is a net settlement? Net settlement will be like same thing, whatever 46,500 from X to Y, from Y to X is 25,000. So what is the net effect? 21,500. This amount should be given by X to Y bank. So net settlement, X will pay 21,500 to Y bank. In previous there were two transactions. Now when they go for the differential amount, whether X bank has to pay to Y bank or Y bank has to pay to X bank, only that net amount will be settled. So the settlement period is the amount of the time between the exchange of transactions and the property settlement. Okay, so there will be a lot of transactions will be exchanged from one bank to another bank, one financial into another financial institution. These will be settled in a settlement period. For example, for NEFT 48 batches will be there. So amount will be settled for the particular batch. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.